The CORSAIR Platform 6 is made with modularity in mind and designed to adapt to you. With the Elgato Multi-Frame System, Platform 6 provides additional mounting points for your favorite Elgato accessories, along with additional display and cable management options for your other gear. To start installing the Elgato Multi-Frame System to your Platform 6, remove the covers from the corner posts. Insert a side rail into the corner support with the T-nuts facing the rear of the desk. Secure the rail using two 10mm M6 bolts threaded into the T-nuts. Repeat this for the other side rail. With the T-nuts facing the rear of the desk, slide the top rail over the 90-degree T-nuts. Do this for both sides and secure the top rail using the set screws. Push the plastic covers over the corner pieces until they snap into place. Now we can install the pegboards. These hook onto the 4 pre-installed bolts and are secured into place by 6 10mm M6 bolts screwed into the rear T-nuts. Secure the pegboards from the bottom with the bottom brace and 4 15mm M6 bolts. We can now install shelves along the rails using the supplied T-nuts, as well as hooks for whatever we'd like on the pegboard. And behind the pegboard, we can install additional cable trays to manage the wiring for any Elgato key lights or other devices mounted to the multi-frame system. And that's it for installing the Elgato Multi-Frame System on the CORSAIR Platform 6. Thanks for watching.